Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on a daily crypto plan. It's Monday again. Let's start a new week with a higher time frame, and maybe we can see some setups forming today. Hey Darren, hey Robert, hey Ricky, hey Ivan, hey Sebastian, Thomas, Andrei. Well, people, if you want to help us out, you can repost the tweet we posted. But I think the people in this live stream already did that. We'll start as usual every Monday morning with the weekly chart on Bitcoin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks of upside on Bitcoin. And finally we have a red one. What will happen next? Well, we'll have to see. For the moment, we are fighting this range, 110 and 100k. We made a new high, we closed higher than last time, and we are just trying to consolidate that move. Bitcoin is kind of big now for to have a exponential move so easily. We need more hype for, I don't know, a really big pump. But from 74 to 110, it's a nice move in the last 2 months. We are consolidating here. I don't have enough reasons to call a top here. We have some potential bearish divergence on MACD and RSI. That's kind of it. But they are potential. We discussed that. Let's wait for more confluence to even think seriously about a top. Okay? Simple as that. I know too many people calling a top here. Well, it's exactly the same like last time. Well, I don't know. I don't see the yam here. Not at the moment. Okay. So that's Bitcoin. We closed red. We have started the consolidation phase, I think. You see up, going sideways. Probably in the summer, because you know the summer is SFU season. We'll go sideways, SFU in the highs, SFU in the lows. That will be nice. Maybe some altcoins will perform in this time. Who knows? Oh, good morning, Mr. Stefan. Good morning. Hey, Manas. So, don't panic sell here. In the same time, I said here at 110 to hedge your spot portfolios. Hopefully you did that. We are kind of 5k lower than that price. Slow and steady, people. Slow and steady. We can also have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bullish candles, one red one, and then to continue aggressively higher. It's possible. I don't know. We are in the summertime already. I don't know if it will happen, but it's possible. Keep in mind, 2025 is the last year from the 4-year cycle. So expect the unexpected. Bitcoin could start outperforming ES and everything else once more. Okay, let's take a look at daily because we saw the weekly. On daily, we have an M. We had some bearish divergence on MACD. So on daily, we have an M. We have a short setup, if you want to call it that. I don't like. It's too much for me to take a short here at 106. Why? The M is too big. We shorted, we hedged at 110. Everyone from Crypto Traders Arena had the opportunity to do that. Now, to short here or even at the neckline, it's ugly. Why? Look left, you have support. Look left, you have support. So shorting this support is not the best idea. Well, it's a bit different when you are already in profit when you are from 110, no? You are risk free, you don't fucking care what's happening. If you try to short here, well, you need the market to go at least 100k to get risk free. So it's a different way to see the market. But in the same time, for a position trader that missed the top here, you can try to take this EM retest. You have the EM, you have the breakdown, now retesting that level. Target for this EM, the final target should be here in the long reload zone. It will happen, I don't know. For the moment, we are above 100k and we are holding pretty nice that level. Okay, so that's my view on daily on Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Similar, people. Nothing I could say more than I said yesterday in the weekly crypto review. Possible AB equals CD. Possible to go back down in the long reload zone. We are between levels, kind of ugly. Ethereum was outperforming Bitcoin last week. Well, now it's the same or starting to lag again. It's Monday morning. It's better to wait for clear setups. I don't suggest you to open trades from the beginning of the week without crystal clear setups. So similar here. You can see OBV is following the price action. RSI has some divergence, but it's already close to 50%. Ethereum, it's kind of all over the place. Bitcoin dominance, pushing higher in the short reload zone here. No YAM, no altcoin season, people. It's that simple. If you don't see a clear YAM or breakdown here, you cannot think altcoin season with Bitcoin dominance pushing higher or staying at 65%. We need that fucking YAM here or higher, I don't know where, but we need that YAM, we need that breakdown. Okay. We'll push higher, well, it's possible. It's possible to accept above 65 to push all the way up to close to 70%. It's likely, I don't know. For the moment, we are in a short reload zone and I'm okay with that. I'm hunting YAMs here. Okay, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Similar, like I said, on Ethereum versus dollar. Two possibilities. Back in the long reload zone and AB equals CD. 50-50 chances. We are here and we are going sideways, you can see. I prefer to wait to see what will happen. If we'll come back down here, then that's a buying opportunity. If we'll push to 0.03, that is a strong resistance now. If you look left, you have to zoom out more, but now you can see 0.03. It's an important level from the past. We'll see. CME charts. Bitcoin. V-top here. I can see kind of a V-top. Needs a retest in my opinion. But in the same time, like I said, watch out 38.2 and double gap here. It's possible at any point in time to touch that level. Yes. Still fighting 78.6 short reload zone. It's kind of ugly to trade ES here. And I don't see a setup. I just see location for a short and people trying to be bullish at the end of the move. Gold. Well, some panic, some fear in the market if gold is trying to push back in the short reload zone. As long as we are below this low or the all-time high, I think range or start of a downtrend. Because we have this big YAM here. Simple as that. Total market cap fighting in the short reload zone. You can see some YAMs. We can go sideways. The best scenario for the moment. Total 3. Similar. Shitcoins. They are not performing. That's for sure. You can see. We pushed nice to the upside. We get risk free. We book some profit. Some of us just make the trade risk free. Now we are below entry. If you are not in this trade anymore, you can wait for the next W to take it. Okay? Don't wait for me to post all the trades because it's impossible. Choose your favorites, and here we have a nice location. Let me show you. You can see swing low, swing high. But actually this is the last high. You are deeply in the long reload zone at 78.6. Good area to look for W's. Hunt your W's, hunt your setups, and enter in the trades if you consider yourself a swing trader. Yeah, similar outcome. Didn't perform, is going sideways, it's weak. Next W. DYDX. Weak. Look at it. Not even 1-to-1, people. Not even 1-to-1. We need W's here. We will sweep the lows. Looks probable now. We'll sweep the lows, and the next trade we can play here will be power of 3. It's Monday morning, so I'll try to scan some altcoins. And the best ones are the ones we already have a position, or we had a position on. ENA. Well, WEMs going sideways is consolidating. If Ethereum is not performing too well, you don't expect this one to do something special. Mavia. Well, Mavia is going sideways. We had a pump, we had a dump, we are consolidating. At some point in time, we'll bounce again. I'm still in this trade. If this one will fail, I'll take the next W. The next clear W on Mavia. Back at entry on peer at $1. Fighting that level. I think for a guy who wants to dollar cost average is a damn nice level. Months ago we hoped for this level. Now we have it and we don't like it. The time will come, most probably soon enough, that we'll hope again to reach this level. Yeah. So get your position now when the prices are low. If you have a position, you have a full bag on peer, just wait. Next trade, next W. You can see we have a nice location. If we think, well, let's see the next setup. Well, pretty simple, people. Look at it. We are in the long reload zone. If we'll go on lower time frame, we'll see some bullish divergence. You can see we have a potential one here on OBV. So, retesting this W. See a W, take it. And you can outperform everyone. Why? The dollar cost averaging guys are trying to dollar cost average. You'll get the W, you'll get a bigger position size as a trader. And if you get risk free and you hold the bags long enough, you can make a lot of money. But will be easy to hold? No. REN is back at entry. As a dollar cost average, it's okay. As a position trader, is okay. Even a trader could take this trade here. Swing trade. Well, I'll take it. But also you can wait for the next W. I think you can. SSV was performing. It's still a bit stronger than the rest. But as Ethereum is going sideways, you can see this one is going sideways also. Simple. Hit my stop loss here on this trade. So don't think everything is pink. Don't think everything is going up. In my take profit, some of my trades are hitting the stop loss. Some of my trades hitting the stop loss without reaching 1-to-1. That's the fucking problem. I was waiting for a potential trade here. Now I need another W here to even think AB equals CD. And I could go on and all the shitcoins here. But they are looking similar, people. If you are a position trader and you have your bags full, nothing you can do. Put your hands under your ass and wait. I was discussing with someone in the morning and she said, well, I'm holding crypto and that's it. Well, okay. Then hold crypto. Don't panic sell. Don't do stupid things. It's the best decision. Respect your plan. If you also consider yourself a trader, then okay, we'll find setups. It's always, you can find a setup somewhere to trade. But if you are just holding the bags, well, hold. Don't zoom in on the charts, zoom out, stay on weekly chart, stay on daily chart. If you are an investor, you don't have any business to go on lower time frame. Lower time frame is for traders. An investor that is looking on lower time frame is punishing itself. Because you'll see the noise and you'll feel too many emotions for an investor. So stay the fuck out from the lower time frame, stay in higher time frame, daily, weekly chart. That will help you to have patience and don't do stupid things. Okay, now that's the overview for today. From next week, the weekly crypto review will be done instead of this live stream, Monday morning. I want my weekend free and I want to have the weekly close for the weekly crypto review. Okay, so Sunday will be totally clean and we'll start the weekly crypto review Monday morning, seeing what happened in the last week, seeing the weekly candle close, and we can also prepare for the next week. Yeah? Okay. Multiple people told me the same thing, Sebastian. Yeah? Sunday, people want to do something else, not to stare at the charts. So let's keep the weekend clean as possible. Yeah? Weekend is for relaxing, for family, for something else, not trading. Okay. That being said, let's go on lower time frame. And on lower time frame, we are motherfucker traders. Look at us. We took this W. We had the breakout. We had the retest. We are deep in profit. Hit 2 to 1. Everyone should be at least risk-free on this trade. At least risk-free if you didn't book any profit. And you can see the market is respecting, is starting to step up. I don't have a problem with the market pushing higher in the middle of this ugly megaphone. I posted this trade for VIP people. I consider that a 3R it's even better risk to reward. So here. But at 2 to 1 people, you should get risk free. Either you move your stop here, either you close some of the trade and make it risk free. Yeah. In the weekend, it's not okay to go on 3-minute chart and start fucking around. It's ugly. Usually it's ugly to trade, but we had a perfect general setup here. Look at it. We had this trend line. We had the long reload zone. We had the W. We had the OBV, the RSI divergence. The trade was there. We waited patiently to see if it's not a fake out, if it's a real breakout. Well, look at it. This is a breakout. And then we said, well, now let's wait for a retest and we'll take the trade. We took the trade. We are in profit. Don't close everything at 2 to 1. Trail at least 50% and you can make some money. Wasn't a hard trade, was something people could relatively easy to see. Couple 1 people, you don't have access on that chat, but couple 1 people saw this trade and discussed between them, well, look at this one. Some of them said, well, I'll take it. Some of them said, well, in my plan says that it's weekend and I'm not allowed to trade. But honestly, I'm proud of them. Some of them saw the trade. Some of them saw the trade and said, well, and my plan says not to trade in the weekend, and they respected that. Yeah. So proud of them. They finished we finished the program. Friday we had the last live stream from the practical part. But I suggest to them to keep the chat open and discuss between them, because it's easier to learn if you have kind of the same level and you know your colleagues kind of idea. So happy to see that they are doing that. Next round of Capo 1, well, we'll start in, I don't know, this month, at the end of the month, or July most probably. If you want to learn to trade like us, there you go. You have on the site, you have everything you learn. If you want to know if it's a good program or not, go on testimonials and see what the ex-students are saying about Capo 1. The rule for them is if they want to join the second time, because you pay for one, but you actually get to do the program 2 times with one condition. You have to put a review in the testimonial. I don't care if it's good or bad. I even suggest them, if they have something bad to say, put it there, because I want a real review. And they get access second time. So let's say you joined and you didn't have time to properly learn. Well, you have a second chance. You can join the second time, live streams, chat, and you can learn even better. Even if you had the time and you learn everything, I don't think anyone is bothered by having a second chance to learn again, to repeat what he already knows. So people, 20 places in total. I don't know if you have 10 or more. I think kind of 10 free places at the moment. If you want to learn to trade like us, if you enjoy me, Stefan, how we are trading, book your place. If you don't like the price, well, nothing I can do about it. It's damn cheap in my opinion. But I had some people saying, well, it's expensive for me. Well, if it's expensive for you, sorry, but nothing I can do. I cannot go lower than that. Okay, people. Let's go back on the lower time frame here. Ethereum. We had a trade, AB equals CD. Managed to make it risk-free, managed to book some profit, some of us. This SFU was a really nice tail. And also a nice SFU, nice short. Now, well, give me W's. It's all I'm asking. Give me W's here, and because we have a location. And $2,500 for an Ethereum is not a bad price. Maybe we'll SFU the lows, this low specifically, and then we'll put some W's. We can consider this LJ, but give me clear W's here, and I'll take the first W, the other side of the trend line. Like I said, Bitcoin is performing, Ethereum is lagging again. So maybe wait for a sweep of the lows and then think long on Ethereum. Solana has something nice, but as a location, and that's about it. Tao, all over the place in the weekend, all over the place. Look at it. Dump like crazy until here, and then pump like crazy back up. After a volatility like this, usually is consolidating. But you see, we already have swing low, swing high, waiting in the long reload zone for a potential setup. So we are hunting. Slow and steady, maybe not today, maybe tomorrow, maybe in New York session we'll get a W here. If we'll get that, we'll play a setup. TIA, small unlocks, people. Yeah, that's why I named the TIA small unlocks. Go on CoinMarketCap and see the small unlocks. But let's go on 4-hour chart. I think we can hunt here. Even a setup on 4-hour chart. If you see a clear double, you can hunt. Dollar cost average, I think it's a good level. $2 should be a good level. They listed at 50 cents if I remember correctly. So some people are still tempted to sell at these levels, but not too many of them. Come on. If you bought below listing price, you want to sell here? I don't think. Seeing Bitcoin above 100K and you are selling TIA at $2, I think is the best decision. Even if you have the small unlocks. Come on. Okay. ES. Yeah, just ugly here at 78.6. Fight. Setup, risk-free, stop loss. Didn't lose money, didn't make money, next boss. And you can see if you go sideways here, let's take this low. We can even take this one. The location is kind of similar. You can see we are back at 78.6. Indeed, we have some yams, big yams here. But what we can do here, what we can think? Well, if you'll give me a clear W here at 78.6, if it's low enough, I could make a 2-to-1 even to take the profit here. If instead of a W, the market will come and take the lows, that will be a power of 3. So it's okay to keep it on the R short list and hunt and wait patiently for a next setup to happen. Just my 2 cents. SSV, risk free, stop loss. Simple. We can think, well, didn't work with that setup. Let's wait for a long reload zone if will be the case. Or the next W. That's my 2 cents, people. It's Monday morning. Usually, market is pushing highs, going back down, forming the Monday high, Monday low. Usually, it's better either to scalp on one 5-minute chart, either to sit the fuck out and wait for the Monday low and Monday high. It's up to you, depending what kind of a trader you are. So that's my review for overview for today, people. Any requests? Let's check the chat. No. Key to success here is risk management process and consistency, people. Not one trade to buy a Lambo. Yeah, most of us know that already. Yeah, we learned that in the hard way. But the new people, they still think they'll take a trade and they'll get rich. Not possible. Even if it will be possible, it's not recommended because you'll lose it all. So the slow approach is the best one. Well, to the upside, $3,000 in the short reload zone, AJ. To the downside, if you break down, $2,000 to reload. Pretty simple. I discussed too many times, AJ, the Ethereum chart. As an investor, to buy to dollar cost average here, JDS. For a trade, I don't know. You have to find a setup. But I think $2 for TIA is not bad. Let's say you will go lower. You buy $2 and will go to $1. Okay. You can dollar cost average all the way down. I'm a buyer of TIA at $2 and below. That's for sure. Small unlocks, okay, they are 0.06 or something percent. They pretend to be something big. We'll see. If you have a bag and it's more than enough, just hold it. Don't overexpose yourself. But if you don't have a bag, you can buy one. I don't know. It's up to you. TIA from 85. Well, TIA was never $85, Andre. It was $20, the max. Even if you wanted to buy it at 85. Maybe you said 85 cents? I don't know. Maybe. Yeah. Then happy holding, Andre. Yeah, I'll sell you some at 85. Yeah. $85. Yeah. Okay, people. Let's start the week correctly. Slow and steady, hunting with setups. Remind ourselves again that we should respect setups and risk management. Okay? 1 hour each bar. Each bar. Well, I'll take Bybit on spot. Yeah, let's see. Well, you started to have a location here. Let's assume this small move here. Motherfucker, come on. Yeah, doesn't want to do something and I hate that. There you go. You have some support here. I don't see the volume, doesn't allow me to play that one. It's the different one. Okay. So you are at 61.8 here. You have some support. You want to take this W? Well, let's see if we have anything special here. No. For 4-hour chart, we don't have enough reasons to think long here. Long above 61.8 is not the best idea. Let's go on 1 hour. I have a bullish divergence here. Andre, you are a trader now? I'm just asking. I know you are trying to stay out from the lower time frame. If you want to be a trader, you know the drill. Don't try without proper knowledge. You tried once and you didn't succeed. Remember that. You need a lot more to succeed. There are some things you need to learn, Andre. As an investor, is a bit different. So here, well, you have the double. If Bitcoin will perform and everything will be nice and shiny, yeah, you have a chance. But assuming that, well, if I'll take this trade 100 times, I'll make money, knowing that it's above 61.8, maybe not. Okay. Let's stay focused on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin will move nicely, everything else will pump, including our spot bags. So you can see the structure here on 1 hour is not bad. W 78.6 breakout, retest, respecting this, pushing a new high, making a higher low. We need a higher high. We can start something. I don't trust these moves too much because it's Monday morning. You know that. But who knows? We are in the middle of we are starting to be in the summertime, so things will change a little bit. You'll see the structure in the market will be slightly different, people. We'll hunt SFUs, we'll hunt different setups a little bit. Will not be as easy as people think, and the setups will work differently. The structure of the market will be different because the big players are out and the market makers will hunt liquidity. It's beginning of that season. We play that season every year, and Stefan in the first summer with me, he learned that, and the second summer he managed to play some SFUs, and so remember, SFU will be king in crypto, but specifically in traditional market this summer. Every summer is the same. The big players are going slowly going in the vacation mode, and liquidity is kind of out. Okay, let's call it a live stream, people. It's Monday morning. Let's call it a live stream. See you tomorrow morning with the same live stream. Tomorrow we have Stefan with day trading with Stefan. He will go on lower time frame and give you, I don't know, scalps, day trades. I prefer to stay because it's a public one. It's for everyone. I prefer to stay on 1 hour, 4 hour chart, and I don't want to go lower. Yeah. Okay. Hit the like button if you want, if you like the content. Don't hit the like button if you don't want. Share the tweet with the live stream. Participate if you want. We post some trades in the general chat, so the free members will have something, some value. I think we offer more than enough, but just my opinion. Okay, see you next time, people.